Your pre-market summary for Thursday, November 17th. Futures back in negative territory once again, looking to extend the sell-off that we saw on Wednesday. A whole slew of Fed officials to come once again today. We get another huge batch of earnings as well. More from the retail sector, including Macy's out this morning. There's a number of positive analyst moves on Target. We saw the big move down yesterday following a miss from Target and the forecast a problem as well. We'll also talk about Alibaba coming up here. Big report for them. We'll touch on that. Here's a look at how the market stands right now. Futures downside, as I mentioned, 0.86 there for the S&P, trying to lead the way. 0.79, 0.9 for the Dow and the NASDAQ. Also downside here in Toronto, TSX 0.59, pointing to a lower open. Crude oil under pressure again, 2% already downside, basically flat otherwise for crypto. That's the way the overall market looks right now. We're still holding the top end of the range after yesterday. Big gap down. We end the day basically at session lows. We'll talk about that ARDX coming up, but here's NVDA, the other big earnings report out for NVIDIA. We'll touch on that. Strong data center numbers offsetting an otherwise miss for NVIDIA, so a bit of a choppy start for NVIDIA shares. Some of the chips downside as a result. Alibaba, yeah, same story. Revenue misses expectations. Their shares are lower in pre-market trading. Macy's, another one. They raised their annual profit forecast on firm luxury demand returning. So big day down yesterday on the Target miss, but back to the upside today for Macy's. Tesla on watch here this morning as well. We're down here in pre-market already, trying to test some of these lows going back to a few days ago for Tesla. Remember yesterday, Elon in court said he will, and is confident that he will, find someone to run Twitter, which sent Tesla shares higher initially on that. Kohl's out with their earnings report as well. They withdrew their annual sales forecast. Not good for KSS. And we mentioned this right at the end of the show yesterday. ARDX getting approval or FDA panel advisory approval for this kidney treatment. So up big time here, pre-market for ARDX. Grab that watch list, guys. Use the QR code on screen right now. Come join us at 8:30. Going to be a busy day on TraderTV.Live.